If you're tired of feeling stuck, paycheck to paycheck, it's time to ask yourself a tough question. Is your money working for you, or are you working for your money? Today, we're diving into 10 habits silently sabotaging your wealth. Fix these now, do, or risk staying broke. Stick around until the end to learn how to flip the script on your finances and unlock the secret to wealth accumulation. The truth is, most people aren't taught how to manage money. Schools didn't teach us how to build wealth, and society tells us to spend. But here's the catch: every dollar wasted today steals from your future wealth. Let's break down these silent killers of your financial success. Habit number 1, ignoring your budget. Let's be real. If you're not budgeting, you're gambling with your future. Do you know where every dollar is going? Most people don't, and that's why their money slips through their fingers like sand. Not tracking your expenses is like driving a car without knowing how much gas you have. Sooner or later, you'll stall. If you're serious about wealth, create a budget, or at least track your spending for 30 days. Trust me, you'll be shocked at where your money disappears. Habit number 2, relying on credit cards for everyday expenses. Using credit cards to fund your lifestyle might feel normal, but here's the kicker: interest rates. Banks love when you pay the minimum each month. That's how they make billions off people who are drowning in credit card debt. Look, using credit responsibly is fine, but if you're relying on them to cover basics, you're playing with fire. Break this cycle now by living below your means and paying off that debt as soon as possible. Because next up, we're diving into a habit even more dangerous than relying on credit. Habit number 3, paying yourself last. Most people make this critical mistake: they spend first, save later if there's anything left. Here's why that's deadly: you're hoping for leftovers, but hope doesn't build wealth. Wealthy people pay themselves first, before bills, before entertainment, before anything. Automate your savings. Set it, forget it, and watch it grow. Habit number 4, not investing early. This one's a killer, especially if you're in your 20s. Not investing early is like giving up free money. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing, thanks to compound interest. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm broke. How am I supposed to invest? Even $50 a month can make a difference. The longer you wait, the harder it gets to catch up. Habit 5, keeping all your money in a savings account. Here's a scary thought: that savings account you're so proud of, it's losing you money. Yeah, you heard that right. With inflation eating away at its value, the money just sitting in your savings account is quietly eroding. Sure, have an emergency fund, but everything else. Make it work for you, whether that's stocks, index funds, or even real estate. Your money should be making babies, not sitting there collecting dust. Habit number 6, impulse spending. Amazon Prime, Instagram ads, late night snack runs, the little things add up faster than you think. We've all been there: something pops up on your feed, and before you know it, it's in your cart. But here's the kicker: impulsive purchases kill long-term goals. Think about what that money could do in an investment account instead. Delayed gratification is a superpower. But if you think impulse spending is bad, wait till you hear this next one. Habit 7, surrounding yourself with bad financial influences. If you hang around people who constantly spend recklessly, it rubs off on you. We become the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with financially too. If your friends always want to dine at expensive restaurants or blow money on the latest gadgets, it's time to reevaluate. Surround yourself with people who have goals, who are building wealth. That influence is priceless. Habit number 8, neglecting financial education. Most people stop learning about money after they start earning it. Big mistake. Financial literacy isn't a one and done deal. The world of money evolves. The wealthy are always reading, attending seminars, and staying ahead of trends. Books, podcasts, YouTube channels like this one, by the way, are great places to start. The more you know, the more you grow. Habit number 9, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, and suddenly your spending goes up to match it. New apartment, new car, new clothes. But lifestyle inflation is the silent killer of financial growth. If you're earning more, don't spend more, save more, invest more. You keep your lifestyle modest, and your future self will thank you. Because once you reach a certain point, freedom isn't about how much you make, but how little you need. Habit number 10, not setting financial goals. Finally, the biggest reason people stay poor: no plan. If you don't have financial goals, you're just drifting. Set clear, specific goals, whether it's saving for a house, paying off debt, or building an investment portfolio. Without a destination, you'll never know if you're making progress. And here's the exciting part: once you hit one goal, the momentum builds and suddenly you're unstoppable. Now that you know the 10 money habits keeping you broke, it's time to take action. Start fixing these today, one step at a time, and watch how your financial life transforms. But before you go, do you want to learn the real secret behind building massive wealth? The power of compounding can make your money multiply faster than you ever imagined. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, send comment for next video and subscribe our channel.